Welcome you all to the Civil Lecture Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly making videos regarding job information for the engineering stream. So in this video we are going to see the information regarding civil engineering stream. So the vacancy which has came from the private firm to the civil engineers going to be discussed. So before moving on to the information, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get the regular updates from our channel. So in this video we are going to see about the information for the civil engineers which is came from the Charge Infra, which is a private company, is located in the Karnataka. So the position for AutoCAD designer, we have the vacancy, so we are going to discuss that now. So let's move on to their official LinkedIn page. So this was their official LinkedIn page. So in this at job section they have made information regarding the vacancy which is presently in their organization. So you can see that. So the job, the company needs these qualifications from the candidate. So you can see that they need to have an experience in AutoCAD and strong design skills in order to create visual aids. So this is the basic thing which they needed from the candidate. By utilizing their strong organization and communication skill, which is given with the preference. So this was the main thing you need to read out. And then responsibilities, what are the roles you are going to play in the company. So you need to work closely with the project managers and you need to execute the drawings which you have drawn, and you need to prepare it, and you need to from the output you need to give the proper design which has been done by you while designing it. So this was the roles and responsibilities. So next, the qualification, this is the important criteria. So you need to complete BE or BTech in civil engineering along with 1 to 3 years of civil engineering experience related to site design, land development and land use permitting, and you need to have AutoCAD knowledge and you need to have experience in AutoCAD. So that is the main thing. And you need to have strong organizational, analytical and even communication skill. So these are the primary qualification which is needed for this job. And if you are eligible and if you are okay with this job, so please click on the apply now button so that email will be asked and the progress can be made up. I think this information might be useful for you. If not, please send the information to others so that someone can get benefited. So this job location is on Mysore. So before applying to the job, please know about this and then apply. So in next video I come up with another information, so we can catch up there. Thank you.